We at ARB have been watching the mid-size truck market with great interest. The Chevy Colorado has proven to be very, very popular. With its handsome good looks, diesel motor, great fuel economy, it's no surprise. But like anything, there's always room for improvement, so ARB has allocated great resources to design winch bars, suspension, and many other products. Today we're going to look at the Summit Bumper on this Chevy Colorado. We're going to look at the features and benefits and all the engineering that goes into making such a fantastic product. Let's have a detailed look at this bumper. I invite you, look at the front end. It's all smooth. The design flows into the vehicle. Looks like it belongs there rather than something that's just stuck on the front end. The Integra finish on this bumper is unique. It's a two-coat process. We bake on a zinc rinse primer to begin with, and then the Integra over that. It's strong, chip resistant, and very easy to clean. Very important to ARB that this bar is airbag compatible, and the engineering makes it so. It's designed for multiple animal strikes and does accept the Warn winch brand. Anything from an 8 to a 10,000 pound winch will fit. And it has a very unique entry point to the clutch. ARB uses several proven engineering tricks to make this bumper strong but very light. In the center section we have a split pan design. Two separate pans folded up gives a lot of rigidity but cuts down on weight. We have airflow through the center section. Very important for a diesel motor to keep it cool. All ARB bumpers are steel. At the base of this upright, just below the buffer, there's a jacking point. If you're lucky enough to have a new ARB hydraulic jack, it'll just nestle in there and it lifts up to 48 inches. Moving outboard, ARB does supply fog lights with this bumper, as we do LED marker lights, which do have a running light incorporated into it. These covers are an option, however. Further down on the bumper, you'll notice that the pan has got several folds in it. Again, that's lightweight but adds great strength. And then under each wing and in the center, there's also a splash pan incorporated, which protects all the underbits. As always, all ARB bumpers have provision for driving lights. On this particular bumper, we have the Intensities by ARB. There's a spotlight on the driver's side, it's about 10 degrees, and then a floodlight on the passenger side is about 20 degrees. This is rigged up Aussie fashion, and it gives you great distance and off to the side of the road vision. The Summit Bumper comes as a kit. In that kit, you're going to find a pair of fog lights, the wiring loom for the fog lights, a winch mount, and of course, the mounts for the bumper to the vehicle. Adding a front bumper and a winch to any vehicle puts a little extra stress on stock components. For this reason, we use Old Man Emu tuned suspension on this Colorado. On the front, replacement struts and coils. Adds about a 1-inch lift, carries the bumper and winch no problem. On the rear, replacement leaf springs. Again, about a 1-inch lift over stock, and tuned shocks to make sure we get that better than original equipment quality ride. For more information on the Summit Bumper, Old Man Emu suspension, and upcoming products, please go to arbusa.com.